Be readily available to see homes. Oftentimes, there is a desired price, neighborhood, location that is going to not only be on your dream wish list, it's going to be on someone else's. So it's always good to understand that when homes are being sent to you or when homes become available for sale, that we both have flexibility in our schedules to get to see that home as soon as possible. It's good to know that maybe if you work second shift, maybe you can go in early, take your lunch time, around dinner time, and we can get in to see that house. Whatever we can do to create flexibility to see that house as soon as possible is going to help us show, number one, how motivated we are to buy to that seller. Seeing it on the market right away shows us, wow, they must really be waiting to see my home. That is great leverage. Another reason why to help get your offer accepted.